If you want to add in images inside of Prezi Design, first of all, you need to go on the left side and click on Add Graphics. So once you do that, if you want to upload out your own image from your computer, you can click on Upload an Image or Video right here. You can click on this button, and once you do that, on the desktop, I have an image as you can see. You can also navigate out to select out an image as per your liking, but I'm just going to select this and click on Open. So once I do that, you can see image is loaded out. So now what I can do with the image is place it anywhere I like. And now if I want to resize out the image, I can click on the image and click and drag this to resize out. And to rotate it, you can use this icon right here, or which you can click and drag out just like this. So on the left side, you can go around, click on Add Graphics, and what you can also do is click on Images, and here you can see there's different images that you can access. So if I were to click on this one, you can see this is the image that you have. This is free to use right here. You can also go around, click on Add Graphics, and in the images section itself, you can set for something like nature right here. And what happens is that relevant images pop up. So you can go around and click on an image that you want to insert as well from there. You can go around onto Add Graphics right here. And whatever you see over here, not everything is free to use. For example, the one with the lock are only available to upgraded members, and the one without the lock are the only ones which are free to use. And that is how you can add in images and then resize and rotate out images on the go inside of Prezi Design. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.